In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about concrete slab thickness and strength requirements for both residential and commercial projects so you can avoid costly mistakes and build something solid. When you're planning a concrete slab, the first thing you gotta think about is what kind of load that slab needs to handle. Like, is it just for a garage or a full-on commercial space with heavy machinery? For residential slabs, you typically want around 4 inches thick for driveways and patios, but that can change if you're putting in a garage where cars will be parked or heavier stuff will sit. Commercial slabs usually need to be way thicker, sometimes 6 inches or more, because they have to support a ton more weight and foot traffic. Strength-wise, you're looking at concrete with a compressive strength around 3,000 to 4,000 pounds per square inch for home projects, but commercial jobs might require up to 5,000 or even higher. Don't forget about reinforcement, like steel rebar or wire mesh. That's what keeps the slab from cracking under pressure. Also, make sure your subgrade, the soil underneath, is properly compacted and stable. Otherwise, your slab will settle unevenly and crack. And you gotta consider local building codes. They might have specific minimum thickness and strength rules depending on where you live. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people underestimating the load their slab will bear, which ends up causing cracks or even failure down the line. Another common slip-up is skipping proper reinforcement or using the wrong type for the job, and that's like asking for trouble because the slab won't hold up as it should. Lastly, not prepping the base right is a huge no-no. If the ground isn't compacted well, all that concrete work won't last long, no matter how thick or strong your slab is supposed to be. If you're feeling overwhelmed or just want to make sure you're working with pros who know what's what, bighomeprojects.com is where I'd start. It hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who get the job done right, and it's also a solid spot for contractors looking to find new gigs without all the hassle. You can trust those guys to help you nail your concrete slab project without sweating the details too much.